Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator for Stampin' Up! And I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today I'm going to show you a little ribbon weaving card. I especially made it for teacher appreciation, so thank you for everything you do. And the little pencil, and then plenty of space for you to write your appreciation. Let's get started. Here are the pieces that you need to assemble the card. A card base 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5 1/2. The basic white, which is 4 and 5 1/4, that's for the inside. Two different kinds of DSP, one that's 3 1/4 by 3 1/2, and one that's 1 inch by 3 3/4, and approximately about 24 inches of ribbon of two different colors. So let me get my tags out of the way. We'll go ahead and fold along the score line for the card base. There we go. Set that aside. We'll go ahead and I already colored the inside, so I'll go ahead and adhere that. I used the Everyday Thanks set for the pencil and the sentiment. So that's ready. I'm going to go ahead and use the decorative circle here to punch out the hole for the ribbon. Try to center it as much as I can, equal sides, and push it all the way in to the punch. And this is what you get. And I went ahead and using the silicone sheet, because I don't want to get all the sticky adhesive of the stamping seal, I put stamping seal all around the opening here. Kind of see that. And then let's get started with the ribbon. Basically, to make the shape here, I went diagonal this way. So go ahead and lay it flat. You don't want to press too hard because you're going to be weaving a little bit. So just keep laying it here, just leaving a smidge of space so you have room for the weaving part. I think it takes about 6. That's how much I did for the last one, but it's approximate, that's why I gave you approximate. Yeah, so this is 5 and a little bit. Then you'll start with the second color, and you can see how it's woven on this side, and I can cut off the excess in a bit. So let's start with this one. This is why you don't want to put it all the way in. So go ahead, go over and under. So it's about, think about that much. So this is under, over, just like any type of weaving. Make sure you have enough. I'm going to scoot it down. I'm going to scoot it down, I think, starting about right there. Then the next one, obviously, you're going to do the opposite. This one you can totally push down now. So this one's going to go over, under. Here. Remember, you'll have some little adhesive back there, so this will hold it down. There we go. Close as you can. So it looks like that. So you're starting to get the weave look. And we'll keep going. So again, you're going to peel it up just a little bit for this part to go under. I really like the colors. These are the new in colors. Boho blue and the copper clay her lovely colors. We're almost there. This one's going to go over and under. I think I'm almost out of space, so just be really gentle with your ribbon so it maintains that weave look. And don't worry about all this fraying. You'll be able to cut it off once you're all done. I think this might be the last one. Let's see if it'll hold. I think it will. So all the way down, press down all around. And let's reveal. Dun, dun, dun. So I'll go ahead and cut off all the fraying so it doesn't show. And this will go right here. Isn't that a good look? Kind of look. Do you think I need more blue here? Yeah, I think I might. Let's do some, bring the blue back in. And we'll go under here. I didn't realize it was sticking out a little bit, but that's okay. We'll do that. Put a little more adhesive here to hold this down. And peel this one off. Does it remind you of any other weaving that you've done? There we go. I think that'll do it. Let's see. Oh, that much better. Yes. Okay. So now let's go ahead and put adhesive all around this part. Let's see if it works on the ribbon. Oh, it does. I was going to put it on the card, but I'll go ahead and do that. So that goes here. And then the two pieces of DSP. This one, if you're wondering, it comes from the Daisy sheet. It's just this sheet right here. Just this little bit. I love that piece. It's so beautiful in terms of just the way it looks. Let me bring my adhesive back. So adhesive here on the skinny copper clay part, and on the boho blue part. And I just guessed just to be able to fit right here. So I snuck this on with a little border and then kind of tuck this one in like that. Let's do the same on the other side. Make sure there's a border and tuck this in. And we're ready for the sentiment. So thank you for all you do. I did it in boho blue and I cut it out with the nested essentials. I'll do that real quick. There. And here's the nested essentials. The smallest of the shape. And here we go. Let's get some dimensionals on there. Release the paper. And that is it. What do you think? Ribbon weaving for a card. Thanks for letting me share this with you. If you like this video tutorial, please like, comment, or share, or all three. And subscribe to my YouTube channel for many, many more video tutorials. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.